Welcome to ABC Service, your local IT solutions provider based in the heart of Tavistock, Devon. No matter the size or industry of your business, we're committed to keeping your IT systems running smoothly. As a company deeply rooted in our community, we understand the unique needs and challenges faced by businesses in the area. From sole traders to larger corporations, we have the experience and knowledge to cater to your specific requirements. Our services include on-site support, repair, and convenient remote assistance. Whether you're setting up a new computer, troubleshooting software issues, or need assistance with Office 365, we've got you covered. Our expertise extends to desktop and laptop repairs, and much more. Even if you don't see a specific service listed, don't hesitate to contact us for any business computer support or general IT queries. For remote support, we offer ad hoc assistance for occasional issues or contracted support for ongoing peace of mind. Our software allows us to monitor system resources, ensuring your devices run optimally without intruding on personal usage. In addition to our computer services, we specialize in comprehensive network solutions. Whether it's wired or wireless networks, we diagnose and resolve issues, install new cabling, and provide secure wireless solutions for businesses like pubs, restaurants, and hotels. ABC Service, your trusted partner for all your business IT needs. Contact us today for unparalleled support and innovative solutions tailored to your success.